Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 C300 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 17-inch alloy wheels. Black MB text interior with a dark brown linden wood trim. Panorama sunroof. C300 4MATIC badging. A clean set of all-season floor mats. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push-start ignition, navigation, garage door openers, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for the radio and media display, cup holders, turn wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. The C-Class has 44,844 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2018 C300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.